Okay, so for this Desmos, we have equations and we have graphs. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is just drag my equations to one side and my graphs to the other. Another thing that I like to do just so it helps me kind of organize things are I see these two graphs open up, so they're together. These two graphs open down, so they're together. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the equations together as well. So I know these have to be graphs that open up since there's no negative in front of them, and these graphs open down because there is a negative in front of them. If you weren't sure about this, you can always use Desmos. So I'm going to click on this first graph, and I see that I have zeros at -6 and at +1. So this is going to be an x plus 6, and this is going to be an x minus 1, which I find right here. Now, once again, if you were not sure about this, you could always go to Desmos and type in the equation to make sure that you've got the right graph. So I've got my equation here. This graph matches this graph, so we're all good. This is just another way to check. So that means the other graph that opens up at -5, so this is x plus 5, and at 7, x minus 7, it looks like that's exactly what I have with this equation here. And it tells you the number of cards that you have correct. So far we're doing well. Now you're going to do the remaining page here and the remaining graphs here as well. And I would definitely, once again, just kind of put your graphs together, put the equations together, which will help you the most. If you're not sure what to do, make sure you're checking with Desmos.